Pet owners like me, be careful with the animals.
Got me starry-eyed, got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the glass, dance with the
I've been using this IKEA Eskilstuna sofa for about 6 months now, every single day for working, watching TV, even sleeping on it. So today I want to give you my honest opinion about it, and the good, the bad, and the who the sofa is actually for. This is a Eskilstuna 2-seat sofa for IKEA, and if you're looking for something comfortable, versatile, and suitable for small apartments, this might be for you. This sofa is not cheap for the number of people that it can sit, but for the space that I have, it turned out to be one of the most versatile sofas I've ever owned. In my case, it separates my living room from my office area behind me, and that's already one big advantage of this sofa. Let's start with comfort, because that's the most important part. The sitting area is very large and very comfortable. It's definitely on the softer side. The sofa is big enough for 3 people, but still works well in small spaces. The headrests are excellent. They have multiple high levels and give great neck support. The pillows that come with the sofa are honestly amazing. They're very comfortable, removable, and I personally think they're essential to the sofa experience. And you can take the textile to a wash, so it's very useful. Now let me make a note. Below the lumbar pillows, there's a softer zone, especially when the chaiselong is open, and if the pillow isn't positioned correctly, it can feel a bit uncomfortable. But once you adjust it, it's fine. Now let's see the sleeping test. An adult up to 1 meter and 60 centimeters can sleep comfortably, works open or even closed. If you sleep in a curved position, it's great. If not, you may need to sleep with your feet outside the bed. It's not a bed, but for occasional sleeping, guests or even yourself, it works surprisingly good. Now, functionality and use. What really makes this sofa special is how versatile it is. The armrests are wide enough for drinks and small plates, and you can sit on the back of the sofa. This is super useful if someone is watching me work on the PC and there's no chair nearby. They can sit on the back of the sofa. Also, I often use the back of the sofa as a footrest, especially when I'm on the office area on my iPhone or phone, maybe watching TV at the same time. And the sofa works great as a room divider. The tall headrests and the block-like shape really define 2 separate spaces. Now, assembling process. The assembling is relatively easy. Comes almost fully assembled, straightforward setup. I even have a full assembling tutorial on my YouTube channel if you want to see it step by step. Now let's talk about the downsides, because no sofa is perfect. Sliding issues. If the click mechanism isn't fully engaged, the sofa can slide. Sometimes it opens slightly when you sit down. Fully open, it creates a fragile area around the coccyx. Not recommended for kids to jump on it. Pet owners like me, be careful with the animals. They love hiding under the sofa, and if the chaiselong is open, there's a big risk when you close, the pet is under it. This sofa is ideal for you if you live in a small apartment, need a sofa that does many things, want something comfortable, modern looking and versatile, and watch a lot of movies and TV, and need 2 chaiselongs to relax. Okay, final conclusion. Overall, I'm really satisfied with the purchase. It's not cheap for the number of people it accommodates, but for my space It's the most comfortable and versatile sofa I've ever had. It looks great, it's comfortable, it fits small spaces, and for watching movies or just relaxing, it's awesome. If you're considering the IKEA Eskilstuna sofa and you have a similar space to mine, it's probably worth checking it out. If you found this review helpful, let me know in the comments below, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!